we're making skillet stuffed peppers. I've never made it before, but that's what we're going to make.
Hello, guys.
So we're going to start off with browning the meat with some onions in it. Onions are right here. I don't know if you guys do this, but I always keep the package that the meat came out of so that I can dump the grease into it when I'm done. Garlic powder. Seasoned salt. Pepper. And salt, the usual. While this is browning up, I'm gonna prep everything else. Not sure if I said this or not, but this is my first time making this. So I figured I'll add garlic even though the recipe doesn't call for fresh garlic. I just like fresh garlic.
I've been thinking about the future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better. Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself.
Now that they're washed, we're gonna cut them up.
To dream, will it be as good as it seems? Pull me out of this place in the middle. Nothing more to embrace in the middle. If I try to climb up.
We're just kind of winging it over here.
Everyone can see when I fall.
So the meat is all browned, and now I'm just gonna drain it. How do you guys drain your meat? Because this is literally how I do it. I just, you know. This is uncomfortable. I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright, did that. As I was saying, how do you guys drain your meat? Because I'm very curious. I'm not measuring anything. I'm literally just going to pour some rice into here and hope for the best, right? Yep. Sounds good. It's not cooked because we're going to cook it this way. So I'm just going to put it over top. Like I said, I've never made this before, so I guess we're going to see how it turns out, right? Yep. Gonna put that over there. That looks like a cup and a half, right? Yeah. I have no idea. It says like a cup and a half. And then it says a can of diced tomatoes. There's no salt added in these ones. Ooh. Put that over top. Sauce. I don't know why I'm adding sauce. Like, isn't the tomatoes enough? I feel like the tomatoes is enough, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. And then I'm going to fill up the tomato can with water and add that. Okay, there's those peppers that we cut up. We're going to put them in here. I feel like I need a big, I think I need a bigger skillet. But you work with what you got, right? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm supposed to stir this. But, and it actually called for, I think, a little bit more water. That's just not happening. And if I were to put more meat sauce in it, oh, we would have really been in trouble. So we're just going to go like this. And just hope that the rice cooks eventually, huh? Right? Yeah. I've had this at about in between like a 6 and a 4 this whole time. Because it doesn't say. Something about recipes that I don't like. Tell me how high it needs to be. I feel like this isn't even like mixed together at all. And I'm just dropping things. Okay, this looks mixed enough. And now it says to cover it. I don't obviously have anything to cover it. I don't have like a lid to cover it. This is basically just gonna like make everything go together and cook the rice. It says cover and simmer until rice is cooked. It says usually about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. I lied. I put this on it, but I want to add more seasoning to it. Can you over season things? I feel like you cannot.
Take me up into the mountains. Send me up.
That's as good as it's gonna get. So now I'm gonna recover it and see in a little bit. There is a pool under my burner. Well, not the burner, but under the skillet. It started spilling out. I think it's done. Ugh. I wish you guys could smell this. This stuff smells so good. It smells like a little different than actual stuffed peppers. I don't know. Might just be me because I don't make stuffed peppers like that. I make stuffed peppers, like Philly cheesesteak stuffed peppers. I will link that video above. The recipe says add cheese if you'd like, and Xander and I are really big cheese eaters, so we're gonna add some. Should melt soon, and then you'll be done. Done.